Hello and welcome to another Tunecity tutorial. Today I will show you how to set up an event. Be aware that all events need approval before going live. As well, this tutorial assumes you have signed up already. Let's get started by clicking the artist/distributor login in the top right corner of your screen. On the login page, simply enter your username and password. After logging in, you'll be brought to the back office area. This is where you will actually create the event. Scroll down on the left-hand side here looking for events and click Add an Event. Now that we're actually on the event page, we can begin. We'll start by entering the event title. You'll want to include relevant information such as the artist performing or what's going to be taking place at the event. For this, I will use a test title. Next, we have the description area. This is where you reveal exciting details that will entice your audience. Next up is the contact section. This is in case any of your fans need to get in touch with you about the event. First off, we'll start with a name, and then a phone number, and last, an email. The email is pretty important because we use this to confirm the event. Next up, we have the event details, including time and the city. We'll start by setting the time. 12 is fine for this. And then the city, followed by the state or province, and your country, and finally the zip code if you're in the USA. As well, we have a space for the event address, and a small area for the directions as well, in case there's anything specific you need to mention to the audience. Next up, we have a few date options. First off, we'll start by selecting an icon that represents our event. And next, we will choose the dates on which it shows. Basically here you choose the starting date you want it to begin displaying on, and the date you want it to stop displaying on as well. Next up, we'll set the actual date of the event. In this case, I will use the last date that we are displaying. Next, you have the option to set this as a multiple day event. If you select this option, you can type in a few things, including every day starting at a certain day, or every Wednesday starting at a certain day. As well, you can see a few different formats used to write the dates down there. Last but not least, we have some conference call options. This is used in case you need to organize some details about the event beforehand. First off, we'll start by selecting this is a conference call, and then by entering the number that will be used, and then the password used to enter. And then you'll select what time it's going to be at. Finally, we have the event status. This is where you can set whether or not the event will be active or inactive. This is in case you want to schedule the event a long time before you actually want to show it. Finally, we'll click Add Event. And there we go. You can see up here I have 2 events awaiting approval. And there you have it. Adding an event on Tunecity.com is just that easy. Be sure to check back again soon for more tutorials.